welcomes you all to Twin Cooking. So guys, today we are making Chinese Bhel. So let's see what we need for it.
25 grams butter, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper, tomato ketchup, soya sauce, Szechuan sauce, 1 cup carrot, 1 cup cabbage, a cup of capsicum and a cup of mushrooms, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, boiled sprouts and boiled noodles.
So get ready guys, let's start.
Let's make the main ingredient for our recipe. For this, we have to heat the oil and put the boiled noodles in it and deep fry until it gets brownish in color. It takes almost 2 to 3 minutes. Now our fried noodles are ready. First of all, take a pan and turn on the flame. Then put the butter into it and wait until it melts. Then we have to add mushrooms and stir until it gets brownish color. Now add some carrots and mix. Mix it well for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add capsicum. Mix it well and add cabbage. Mix nicely for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper, now we are adding 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce. Then add a big bowl of boiled sprouts. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So it's time to add the fried noodles. Crush some noodles in hands and add into the pan. Mix it nicely for about 2 to 3 minutes. So remove it from heat and it's ready. Serve into a bowl. And garnish it with coriander leaves and some pomegranate. And enjoy your Chinese Bhel with family and friends. Happy eating!
Hope you liked our video. Please like this video and comment down below what you want us to make. And do subscribe our channel. Till then, bye bye.